Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and page. My people, hey, Kasala don boss so hey. Ned Nwoko is not taking it lightly with anybody this time around. Regina Daniel, why did you have to leave your husband, your beloved husband, that you found out of mutual understanding, that your marriage was built on love? Why are you leaving him now? Why have you leave him? Why are you running? Where have you run to? Your children is looking for you. Ned Nwoko wants you back, Regina Daniel. Hey. My people, no be small matter. My people, no be small matter. Anyway, let us dive into the gist. Before we do that, you're welcome back to my channel. Please, if this is your first time coming across my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And also, please share this video. Kasala don burst for Ned Nwoko as we don dey hear that Regina Daniel is playing Ned a matured game, matured mind game. Ned Nwoko thought that being old, maybe giving Regina Daniel more than 50 years is going to make Regina Daniel not to use her senses. Old Papa's senses are going down. VDM said it that some of them in that government house that their brain are now like coconut is going down. Why the younger brain that people are going to use to make things happen is coming up and they're not giving them chance? He said this thing when he was talking to the Nigerian government, I sure to Tinubu and the son precisely, that they should look into what he was saying. So my correct people, do you remember the last time we shared a video that Ned Nwoko is threatening that he is going to take the house in port for Regina Daniel to compensate her for allowing her daughter, her young and beautiful daughter, marry him? Yes, Regina Daniel's husband bought a house for her mother in Asaba, as we heard allegedly. So then, I think last week, the man started threatening that he is going to take back the house because Regina Daniel's mother accepted Regina Daniel when she ran into the house because of the saga they have in their marriage. That why would she allow her daughter to come in? And the woman was like, why wouldn't I allow my daughter? When my daughter is running for help, where is she going to run to? Do you know to me? Okay, that one apart too. My people, what is happening right now is that Regina Daniel said she wants to go and see her daughter, her children. Ned Nwoko said that she can never see her children unless she comes back. Regina Daniel just back off. She didn't even care to see any of the child again. She just backed off. My correct people. As Regina Daniel backed off, Ned Nwoko thought that this girl is mean. If I leave her now, she might even forget the children and carry on with her life. And we all have been hearing that Reggie have been busy clubbing, going to parties. In short, it was even alleged that there was a video I saw. She was telling a guy to cuddle her. My people, I was like, Reggie, don't forget that you took an oath. And she even said that the oath, as long as she's no longer near the house, that oath is not going to affect her. And she mean it. That girl is out to go and live her life. But people are making very big mistake. I keep feeling for this woman, this Regina Daniel. So what is happening right now is that the husband, Ned Nwoko, warned the mother that she should bring back her daughter. Regina Daniel's father was once telling us that people have been calling him on phone. Some will call and say that they are Ned Nwoko's personal lawyer. Some will say that they are this, they are that. That he should come. Let them settle this whole issue amicably. But the man told them that he's not coming anywhere. He's not going anywhere. That marriage is not a do or die affair. Marriage is not by force. And he's not going anywhere. That they should stop. In short, the man later started hiding. because he was afraid of Ned. Okay, right now, Ned Nwoko is telling Mama Regina Daniel that she should bring back her daughter, unless she want to face his wrath. Hmm. That if he brings out this his wrath, it's going to be terrible. That Regina Daniel's mother should bring back her daughter. And my question is this: is it Regina Daniel's mother that came into your house to drag your daughter out of the house? Drag your wife. If I call her your daughter self, is she's supposed to be your daughter. Look at this same man that came the other day telling us that I love girls, I love women. I'm from a polygamous home. I Regina Daniels know that I can't marry him and stop marrying. I can't marry her and stop marrying. I'm going to still marry more women. So she better come back and take care of her children, because she is not going to set her eyes on these children unless she comes back to the house. Guy, that is what Ned Nwoko told Regina Daniel and the mother. And Regina and the mother have been crying. You know why Regina Daniel's mother is crying? It's not just because of the fact that they were denied access to seeing the children, but she is crying because the oath that her daughter took, the oath they made her took when she was marrying that man, is so serious that if she ever violates that rule or that oath, she is going to hear the side of the other story. As in, the thing is going to affect her very well. She's going to dance the tune of masquerade. That is why Regina Daniel's mother is very, very unhappy. Because you know that the girls of nowadays, they don't think twice. And the lady worker will not use this time around to know that Regina Daniel is not what she thinks Reggie is. Regina Daniel always moved with Ned, but since this time around, it has been Laila. Hey, hey, Reggie, if you ask me, I know that divorce is a bad thing, but if you ask me for your own sake, eh, it will be better you find your way. But for the sake of your children, it's better you still go back to your marriage. Had it been children is not involved, this is when I will be like, leave this man. Whatever is it that is the oath that you have with him, know what you do. Try as much as possible to break that yoke. The same oath that the king of Yoruba, Oni of Ife, used to hold Queen Naomi. That is the same oath. I don't know whether her own is as strong as Ned Nwoko's own is as strong as his own. But right now, what is happening? It seems like Queen Naomi is now free. You see. Anyway, guys, please, this is what I saw, and I was like, I need to share with you. Please, subscribe to my channel if you like to subscribe, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. With your thumbs up, YouTube will start pushing it further. Thank you. I love you guys. Bye.